Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 large TV remote controls of 2021. The list starts from universal remote control for all Samsung LCD LED HDTV 3D smart TVs. It's no programming or pairing required. This item is selling without batteries. Customers need to buy 2 batteries in local store by themselves and put the batteries in, then it works. Instructions not included or not required. It's Colux remote control for Samsung TV Smart TV 3D LED HDTV. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. 9th one is Samsung TV remote control BN59201199F by Samsung. It's compatible TV models. Some models are also compatible. UN32J4500F, UN32J5205F, UN32J525F, UN40J5200F, UN40J520F, UN40J6200, UN40J6200F, UN40JU6400F, UN40JU640DF, UN43J5200F, UN43JU640DF, UN48J5200F, UN48J5201F, UN48J520F, UN48J520F, UN48J6200F, UN48JU6400, UN48JU6400F, UN48JU640DF, UN50J5200, UN50J5200F, UN50J520F, UN50J6200, UN50J6200F, UN55J620. It's Samsung BN59201199F remote control, works most standard Samsung TVS and Samsung Smart TVS, includes Smart Hub button. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product review. BN59201259E replace remote compatible with Samsung TV UN40KU6290 UN65KU6290 UN40KU6290F UN55KU6290F UN60KU6290F UN70KU6290F. It's no programming or pairing is needed. Just insert new batteries to get it work. Please feel free to contact us if you have any query. Thanks. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Well, here is the 7th one is AZMKIMI RMTTX100U remote compatible with Sony Bravia RMTTX100U TV remote control, if applicable. Its battery required 2 alkaline battery, not included. It's for the following models: XBR75X940C, XBR75X910C, XBR75X850C, XBR65X930C, XBR65X900C, XBR65X850C, XBR65X810C, XBR55X900C, XBR55X850C, XBR55X810C, XBR49X850C, XBR49X835C, XBR49X830C, XBR49X800C, XBR43X830C, KDL75W850C, KDL65W850C, KDL55W800C, KDL50W800C. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed universal big button TV remote, EasyMote backlit, easy use, smart, learning. Its sleek handheld design, 6 large bright backlit buttons for basic TV control, with clear and big button text for easy to see use, even in the dark. Including a strong wrist strap, which is made from a strong comfortable to wear material, which prevents misplacement. It's the perfect thoughtful gift for seniors, caregivers, loved ones, or someone with low or impaired vision. Plus, a great feature in any hospital, hotel room or nursing home, batteries not included. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list: original LG AKB 75095307 Smart TV remote control LCD LED Smart TV. It's batteries not included. It's no need to reprogram. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one Hisense Roku TV remote with volume control and TV power button for all Hisense. It's only for Hisense Roku TV and Sharp Roku TV, Roku system built-in TV compatible with all Hisense Roku TV and Sharp Roku TV models. It supports thousands of streaming channels like Netflix, Amazon, Sling, Hulu, Bo Now, etc. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. If you want cost efficient, this new one is for you. Replacement for ONC18 TV001 TV remote control. Its model number ONC18 TV001. Its power supply 2x 1.5 VAH batteries. Batteries and manual are not included. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. According to reviews, the second best product is new remote control AKB 75,095,307 replacement fit for LG LED LCD TV 43 UJ6543 UJ6560. It's no programming or pairing needed. Put new AAH batteries and it can work well. It's 65 UJ6520 65 UJ6540 65 UJ6580 70 UJ6520 70 UJ6570 70 UJ657 75 UJ6470 75 UJ6520 75 UJ657A. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Now here is our best of best, the king product, LG and MR19BA Smart TV Magic Remote Control 2019. It's drag and drop, yes. It's intelligent voice recognition, yes. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon.